Pero kumusta ka na after the stint mo sa Pinoy Big Brother?
I'm fine.
Marami nang nabago.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of things changed and I'm just really excited for what's to come. And ako, just really open to opportunities na ibibigay sa akin. And right now, parang I really want to work. And as much as possible, parang araw-araw gusto ko may ginagawa ako. Kasi naano ako sa bahay ni Kuya eh. Medyo, na-culture shock ako. But when I got out, parang I'm just ready to work. I just want to work with the housemates then and see my friends. And of course, spend time with my family.
Pero maraming naawa, no? Gusto talaga nilang makasama ka dun sa mga winners, syempre.
Yeah, I mean,
Right after matanggal ka, nag-trending ka, a lot of people are saying deserving mo doon.
well, my whole PBB journey is a roller coaster. I've experienced a lot of downtimes talaga when I got out for the first time. Kumbaga, I was really shocked. Sobrang nabigatan ako noon. Kumbaga, parang pasang ko yung buong mundo noon. But after I got back as a wild card, parang I really tried my best to work on myself, and to prove to people na there's so much more for me, and that sa bawat task talagang lagi kong pinapakita na inilalaban ko because I want to show the people who believed in me, who supported me to go back as a wild card. I want to show them na nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila, and yung pagpapasalamat ko na yun, it's a promise na ginagalingan ko every single time, not just with the tasks but with the household chores and sa make sure na okay yung housemates, to make sure na ako kasi I just really want to bring the best out of every housemate na nakasama ko. So, ayun, I just did my best and contented na ako sa kung ano nangyari sa akin. Kumbaga,
sure.
malaking pasasalamat na yung nakabalik ako.
Sabi nga nila, nasa labas ang tunay na laban.
Yes, and right now, ito na yan.
Yes. Pero sinong namimiss mo doon? Isa lang. Na
Namimiss?
nakasama mo sa loob ng bahay.
Well, can I say two? Kasi ito na talaga yung siguro before going in, talaga si Clifford sa si Anton din yung talagang kumbaga kilala ko na sila, and kumbaga na-miss ko in a way of working, in a way na gusto ko sila makatrabaho. And together with the other housemates, talagang kasi grabe ako, I really tried my best to deepen my relationships with every housemate na nakasama ko. And honestly, if I was able to say everyone, I would say everyone talaga. But top of mind lang na gusto ko rin talaga makatrabaho ulit si Clifford sa kasi.
Sa babae,
Sa babae, I mean, I miss,
So that's where you get the yapper.
Since yung iba kasi kasama ng housemates, is mga kapuso.
Kala ko may mga partner na.
Meron na sila. Sobrang paldo na yung mga kaibigan ko. Sobrang success na sila. And I'm just
Pero
happy.
ikaw din naman, di ba? May partner din doon.
Ay, right now po?
Ngayon wala na.
Wala.
Anyway, aware ka dun sa naging trending din yung because of Kim Chu na nag-guest ka sa Showtime.
Yeah.
Tapos medyo kinall out na yung ibang fandom. And it's all because of you, ganyan-ganyan
Yeah.
support. Anong feeling mo at that time?
I mean, wala eh. I was just there. Of course, just wanted to make people happy. And para sa akin, hindi ko naman na siya tinake as anything. Kasi,
Pero yung ginawa ni Kim Chu, talagang
yes, ako, honestly, syempre, parang it's good na napansin yun, but ako kasi I don't wanna promote yung parang fan wars
yes,
pa eh.
yes.
So, as much as possible, I want everyone to be happy na lang, support each other, and that's what I want. And gusto ko supportahan lang namin talaga yung isa't isa. And ako, I'm very supportive sa kung sino man yung mga housemates na isusupport ng mga tao. And ako, I'm just here for everyone.
Pero nagkaroon ka ba ng chance to say thank you to Kim for standing up? Or...
No, honestly, I haven't talked to Ate Kim, but I really appreciated the gesture. Kasi, although para sa akin hindi ko naman siya tinake as something bad,
negative.
pero nagpapasalamat ako na in-acknowledge ako ni Ate Kim, and it really says a lot of who she is. At she's also someone na kumbaga I admire, and especially galing din siyang bahay ni Kuya. So ayun, I'm just happy na nakasama ko si Ate Kim.
Pero ikaw matatakotin ka ba? Dito naman tayo sa Huwag Kang Titing.
Yeah.
As in?
Honestly, hindi pala ako matatakotin
Okay,
talaga.
so tatanong sana ko ano yung mga kinatatakutan mo.
honestly,
Pero takot ka sa mga aswang or wala kang ganun
Wala pa akong
thought?
experience eh. So, hindi ako takot talaga kasi parang wala pa akong experience experience. And kumbaga, matapang naman ako kapag yung ako lang mag-isa, tas madilim. Yung mga ganong tipo, yung tipo ng horror, yung tipong medyo yung lugar, para may multo. Hindi naman ako kagad natatakot.
Kasi hindi ka naniniwala sa gano'n.
Yeah, hindi ako naniniwala.
Kasi wala ka pa experience.
Yeah, wala pang experience. And I just put my faith in God.
So, saan ka mas takot?
Syempre, takot ako na, yung greatest fear ko. Syempre,
Aside from, of course, yung may
Yeah.
mga sinasabi na mawala ng family or member ng family.
Yeah.
Pero, aside from that, saan ka mas...
Right now, ang kinakatakutan ko is syempre yung kahihinat na ng career ko.
Okay.
Of course, I'm really scared for what's in the future. And I know na hindi ko dapat siya inaalala, but for me kasi I've been doing this my whole life.
Yeah.
So ako gusto ko lang talaga na ma-maintain siya and to make my family proud. Kaya dahil sa takot na yun, I use it as a fuel to improve myself, to make sure na I'm always improving para mapabuti ko yung craft ko. Yeah.
Pero ikaw, Marco, bilang bata, natatakot ka rin ba sa nangyayari sa paligid ngayon? Like in crisis?
Yeah, honestly, syempre, it's the future of our country. Like,
Not only sa atin,
you're
di ba? Yung crisis.
pertaining po ba to
The war.
Yeah, of course,
yung
I have
possible
been.
doon na pwede mangyari sa atin. In the future, baka mawala ng kuryente. Mawala ng...
Of course, I have been aware of that. And siguro bilang kabataang Pinoy, kagaya naming mga housemates, we represent ang kabataang Pinoy. We just try our best to be a good role model sa lahat ng mga bata. Dahil sila yung next generation eh. And with what's happening naman, I'm pretty sure na wala talaga sa control natin yun, kung ano man yung nangyayari. But the very thing na pwede namin gawin is to make sure na ma-spread namin yung good word and to make sure na we pray for each other, to make sure na ilagay natin kay Lord yung kahihinatnan ng mga bagay-bagay kasi hindi naman natin masasabi yung mangyayari in the future, but as long as we have faith na magiging okay din ang lahat, yeah, I'd like to encourage everyone to support each other and just keep on improving and keep on doing what's better for everyone.
But so far, for sure may effect na rin sa'yo. Like, pagtaas ng presyo ng mga.
Yeah, honestly, yung gas sobrang apektado ko sa
Yun
gas
nga eh.
talaga.
Kasi baka inisip ng iba, hindi nyo pinoproblema yung ganun because
Yeah.
kayo.
Talaga, aware din talaga kami. And syempre, my parents, lagi naman nilang sinasabi syempre yung paghihirap ng buhay, kung paano namin dapat mas minamaximize at mas nagiging, kumbaga, matipid kung paano namin magiging...
So nagtitipid ka rin?
Oo, nagtitipid talaga ako. So, lalo na yung gas, sobrang mahal ng gas. And lalo na nagda-drive na ako.
Yeah.
Ramdam ko
Talaga?
Yan. Lalo na nagda-drive na ako, ramdam ko talaga yung mahal ng gas. So, kapag may mga pupuntahan, tinatry ko na yung importante lang. And of course, I just really want to make time for my friends din. So,
Sabi ka. Tungkol, tinatanong ko na lang yung pagtaas ng gas. Hindi, effect sa kanila eh. Kala kasi nila mayayaman kayo, hindi nyo problema yung mga bagay na yan.
Yeah, hindi naman ako nanggaling sa mayamang pamilya. Ever since naman, I've been trying to help talaga. And with my parents, parang, syempre, lagi talaga nilang, sobrang masinop kasi ng parents ko and I owe it to them. Kung nasan man ako ngayon, I owe it to them dahil sobrang buti nila. At sobrang swerte ko na sila yung naging parents ko. And bilang pasasalamat, I'm just trying to hone myself to be better at the craft,
Marco,
Alam mo, akala ka partner kayo ni Charlie. Kasi yung tumayo kayo, parang may chemistry din.
Ay, wow.
Although you're younger, ba?
No, actually, she's like, what, 16? I don't know, I'm 18.
Okay.
It comes with the character.
Yeah.
Kasi based on the pictures kanina, sa pictorial, di ba, kayo yung mga tattoo. May strong chemistry din talaga. How do you feel about it? Na parang may nakikita rin chemistry.
That's nice. I would love to work with Charlie. I've known Charlie since Sparkle Teens days. And to work with her, and gaya po nasabi niya na may nakita kayong chemistry. I'm really open to work on that. Kung sakali, mabibigyan man kami ng management. Yeah.
But at this point, ano muna kayong dalawa? Meron na bang special something going on between?
Yeah, we're good friends.
Good friends.
Yeah, I'm good friends
Pinupush
with Charlie.
talaga.
Yeah. Actually, when I got out, talagang isa si Charlie sa mga mini-message ko talaga. Like, nag-update talaga ako sa kanya. Kasi she's a very nice friend and she's always been there. Kapag kami may mga debrief kami, may mga pinag-usapan
okay.
kami. So, talagang yung closeness namin ni Charlie is mas naging, kumbaga, mas naging close talaga kami.
Talaga.
Yeah.
Because of this film ba?
Ah,
Or
not
even
really.
before
Yeah,
pa?
kasi halos same circle of friends kami. And kumbaga nag-click
kaya.
talaga kami ni Charlie. And like, she's a great friend kasi and someone na madali mong malapitan. So when things come up sa mga buhay-buhay ko, she's one of the people na makakaalam.
Oo. Pero admit it, she's very
She
pretty,
is, of course.
very
Charlie
intelligent.
Fleming. Yes.
Yung mga ganyang type of girl ba ang type mo? Yung mahirap sagutin pero parang given yung tanong pero
Of course, Charlie is very pretty and she's very intelligent and kagaya naman ng ibang guys, syempre it's also something na, you know, hinahanap din ng mga guy or so Charlie has the traits talaga.
wait lang.
Magkakaroon kami ng collab set. So, ayun, isa yun sa mga dapat with other PBB housemates. It's also something na excited talaga ako sobra. Kasi tagal ko hindi nakapag-acting. So, kinaalala ko, wala, baka nangalawang na ako or what. But I'm just really excited talaga to work with them.
May idea. Yun lang muna, collab sa area.
Yeah, may collab lang. That's what I'm gonna say lang muna. No spoilers muna. Kasi wala pa rin ako alam, honestly. Here's muna lang. Here's muna lang magkakaroon.
Ano investment mo?